Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong reaction video dito sa Cebu Dancing Inmates perform 80s and 90s tune. Ayan, mapapasayo kayo dito, nostalgic inmates at Cebu Provincial Detention and Rehabilitation Center. Grove to some 80s and 90s DTs. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye, and no further ado, please get it on. Alright, yan, napanood natin ng inmates Cebu Dancing perform 80s and 90s. And don't forget to subscribe, Rob Trip, and thank you so much sa inyong lahat. God bless us all and peace out.